Stocks are bouncing this morning as I speak to you right now. The Russell is up about 1.5%. The Dow is up about 1.6%. The S&P is up about 1.6%. The Nasdaq is up almost 2%. Overnight data, the Bank of Japan core CPI came in lower than expected, and out of Canada, the raw materials price index went negative at down 1%. Yields right now are mixed in the US, with the front end a little bit higher and the back end a little bit lower, as volatility has started to come in a little bit in the bond sector. Gold made yet another new all-time high, but it's coming off the highs as I speak to you right now. Silver is also up about 0.75%. Copper is up by 1.8%, and crude oil is up by 1.6%. The US dollar is also bouncing slightly in aggregate, with its strongest moves being against the Swiss franc and the euro. We had a couple of Fed speakers already this morning, in Philly Fed President Patrick Harker and ECB President Christine Lagarde. She's not the Fed, but she's a central banker. But no market-moving headlines have come out of those chats yet. Later today, we have ECB Vice President Luis de Guindos speaking, along with Fed Governor Philip Jefferson and Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kashkari. Earlier today, the IMF cut their global growth forecast for 2025 from 3.3% to 2.8% as they continue to push their forecast for global growth closer to recession territory. They also cut 2026 by 0.3%. Looking ahead, earnings after the close today, we have 27 companies with $1 billion or more in market cap reporting, with the biggest name being Tesla, but also SAP, Intuitive Surgical, Baker Hughes, and Steel Dynamics. Tomorrow, before the market opens, we get another 39 companies reporting earnings with $1 billion or more in market cap, including Philip Morris, Thermo Fisher, Boston Scientific, AT&T, Checkpoint Software, Teledyne Tech, Boeing, GE Vernova, General Dynamics, Norfolk Southern, Old Dominion Freight, Westinghouse, and CME Group. This afternoon, we have a 2-year note auction in the US happening. Tomorrow, we have small to medium-sized manufacturing PMIs for Germany, the EU, the UK, and the US. We also have new home sales data in the US, the Fed's Beige Book release, and a US 5-year note auction.